Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Next.js. Today we are going to learn how to solve the issue invalid link with the anchor child. Please remove anchor or use the link legacy behavior. We are going to solve this issue in this video. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. To solve this issue, it's very easy, very simple, because the error says that invalid link with anchor tag. That means you are using link with anchor child. Please remove anchor. That means you have to remove the anchor and use the link for that. Okay, so here we go with this one. What we have to do, we have to just remove this one, anchor tag. Okay, and we have to use the link because link will create the href automatically. Okay, so you need to add link with this one. Save this. Okay, and go to that one. You can see the error resolve automatically. Right, now you can just go with another pages and navigate to the pages. Okay. So next video we have to learn about the nav bar which I have made currently. So how we have to go create this one and navigate like this, services like this. Okay, so we are going to learn in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.